Honor mobile phones have never let us down. Every time a new phone is released, it brings a many surprises. The Honor 300 Mini Expo this time is the same. The design is really eye-catching. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The front of this phone adopts a full screen design with extremely micro edge straight screen. The front camera is integrated into a small hole. Let's talk about the imaging system of this phone, which is quite powerful. This Honor 300 Mini adopts a rear 3 camera design. The camera module is arranged on the upper left side of the back of the phone. It is also a vertical capsule shaped module. It looks really beautiful. It uses a rear 3 camera combination of 50 megapixel wide main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. In addition, this phone is also equipped with a dual speakers, super heat reception, and IP68 waterproof and dustproof. Moreover, this Honor 300 Mini also adopts a 5.8 inches small screen design. This screen not only has a high brightness, reaching 5000 nits, but also supports 4320 Hz high frequency PWM dimming and 120 Hz high refresh rate. Yet the display and screen experience are definitely excellent. Moreover, this phone also has a built-in 5100 mAh battery. There is no need to worry about battery life. The Honor 300 Mini is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset and uses an 8-core CPU architecture design headed by the Cortex-A4 Ultra Large Core and also integrates the Adreno 732 graphics processing unit. That's all for now and thanks for watching.